You're both adopted! That's not what I said.
You're adopted. Yeah. I'm sorry.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
You're not part of this family, really. You were adopted. Yeah.
Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Dominic, you're adopted.
Yes, you're adopted. Maya, you are adopted. But I still love you.
Well, adopted.